Anyway, let's compare how all these cars sound when you rev them up for the carwow sound check. So let's go with the original V8 first. Can we have a little bit of the GT, please, Rory?
Oh, you're shaking me.
And Yanni? Yeah, you're winning so far, but can this beat you? Well, that's weird. That's so odd. So this doesn't have a soft limiter in any way, shape or form. And it makes an incredible noise, unlike the very latest cars. No petrol particulate filter. But it actually sounds better than yours. Does yours have a